Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen, and on today's episode I'll be showing you how to make a large rose petal. See ya! To begin, make a slip knot. Now chain 4. Insert your hook into the very first chain and make a slip stitch to close your work. Now you have a semicircle, a little circle. Now chain 2 to represent a half double crochet. Chain another 2, yarn over, insert your hook in the little circle, make a half double crochet. Chain 2 again, yarn over and into the same little hole, make a half double crochet. Repeat the same process 4 times. Chain 2, yarn over, a half double crochet. Now you have 4 holes. For the 5th hole, chain 2. Remember the very first 2 chains you made. Insert your hook in the 2nd chain and make a slip stitch. Now you have 5 holes in total. For our next row, insert your hook in the next hole and make a single crochet. Now chain 1 and make 3 double crochet in the same hole. Chain 1 again and make 1 single crochet in the same hole. Into the next hole, repeat the same process. 1 single crochet, 1 chain, 3 double crochet. One chain, one single crochet in the same hole. Repeat the same process all the way around, and I'll see you at the end. Now our first petal is set. Let's move on to the next phase. Chain 3. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next hole, through the double crochet, yarn over and pull through and make a half double crochet. Watch closely. This is a very easy step. Now repeat the same all the way around. Chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook through the double crochet, yarn over, pull through. You should have 3 loops. Now make a half double crochet. Repeat the same process all the way around. And I'll see you at the end. To close this phase, chain 3. Now insert your hook in the very first chain for that phase. Yarn over, pull through to make a slip stitch. For our next petal, insert your hook in the very first chain 3 space. Make 1 single crochet, 1 chain, and 5 double crochet in that chain space. You can pause and rewind the video if you miss any step. Chain 1 and make 1 single crochet. Repeat the same process in all the chain spaces behind the first petal. Chain 1 single crochet, chain 1, 5 double crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet. Repeat the same process in all the chain spaces and I'll see you at the end. 1 single crochet, 1 chain, 5 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 single crochet. Repeat the same process for the last chain space. 1 single crochet, 1 chain, 5 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 single crochet. Now our second petal is set. You can take this time out to arrange. For the next phase, chain 4. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next hole through the double crochet, pull through loop, and make a half double crochet. Just like you did it in the first petal, but this time around you chain 4. Chain 4, insert your hook through the double crochet behind and make a half double crochet. To end your work, chain 4 and repeat the same process to close. Insert your hook in the first chain and make a slip stitch. For the third petal, insert your hook in the first chain 4 space, make 1 single crochet, chain 2, and make 7 double crochet in this chain space. Chain 2 again and make 1 single crochet in the same chain space. So now look at this analysis. In the first petal we have chain 1, 1 single crochet and 3 double crochet. In the second petal we have 5 double crochet. In the third petal we have 7 double crochet. So 2 double crochet increase on every petal. To continue on the third petal, insert your hook in the chain space, make 1 single crochet, 2 chains, 7 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 single crochet. Repeat the same process in all the chain spaces till the end. One single crochet to end. Our third petal is set. You can see it's already taking shape. If you want a larger size, you can keep going round and round and round and adding more sizes, adding more petals around your rose. For our fourth petal, chain 4. For this petal, if you want it to be really flat, you can try chain 5. But I actually want this one to be a little high, a little bulky, so I chain 4 instead. But you can choose to chain 5. So chain 4, insert your hook into the double crochet around and make a half double crochet. To close, chain 4, insert your hook in the very first chain and make a slip stitch. Now for this part of the petal, insert your hook in the first chain space, 1 single crochet, 2 chains, 9 double crochet. Remember, the first petal was 3 double crochet, next is 5, the next is 7, and this one is 9. So 2 double crochet increase on every petal. 2 double crochet more on every petal. Chain 2 and make a single crochet in the same chain space. Repeat it till the end. 1 single crochet, 2 chains, 9 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 single crochet. This is so easy. Very simple. If you miss any step, you can stop, rewind, and check it out again. Now the 4th petal is set and our rose is taking shape already. To end, chain 1 and clip off. Pull your yarn and pull tight. You can pull your yarn through to the back so you can tie properly at the back. Your rose petal should look just like this. You can attach your accessory with a gum or a glue gun. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.